Me and my friends don't really go down Main Street that much.
If you look around, you just got people just driving by. There's not a lot of things for people to do, so most people go to the bigger cities.
And that's what we want to change. We want people to see what's so special about where they are. You can really bloom where you're planted if you look around and see what good soil you're in.
This time, we are focusing on the heart of Fort Morgan, both literally and figuratively. 2 projects on Main Street in the heart of downtown and a family home for the heart of the championship football team.
Line it up! I'm Ty Davies. This is my wife, Audra. I am the head football coach, and then I teach social studies at the high school here in Fort Morgan.
I am a kindergarten teacher. Being able to have a positive impact on kids is really important to us.
Coach Davies' home is the hub of this football program. Right now, it works, but it's mostly in the garage, and it just doesn't function as well as it could. And we want to help fix that so Ty and Audra can focus on being the amazing mentors that they are.
This is it. That's their house right there.
No way. Holy cow.
I was hoping you guys would be here. I remembered you from the rally.
My kids obviously know who you guys are. Hi.
And the guys. The team's all here.
Yeah,
I love it.
This is awesome. Oh, my gosh.
I come from a tiny town, and football was life there. I just know the impact that you're having on these boys' lives because my football coach had that impact on my life. So that amazing momentum that you guys have started, we want to continue.
Okay, so do you guys know what we're doing here? You're gonna make over your house.
Oh, my gosh. It's like winning the lottery, so thank you, guys.
People like Coach Davies are integral to a small town like Fort Morgan, where oftentimes young people leave for jobs in school. But if you lift up the leaders who are teaching them foundational skills, they will want to come back and make the town their home. And that's really important to the longevity of a place like Fort Morgan.
So what can we do?
Yes, how can we help you make this space better for your family and for the team? How long have you lived here?
It's been about 1.5 years. We're not huge fans of the brown and yellow. So ready for some new color on there.
Okay, and I did notice you had black and white there.
Yeah.
Is that more your style
Yes.
versus what the house is currently?
Yes.
Maybe that's like more farmhousey?
Yes.
And this is more mid-century, so maybe we can find a way to marry those two styles. First of all, in order for the team to come over, they have to know where the door is, and I can't even see the door. So that's first and foremost. Let's find the door. Make that beautiful and clean some of this landscaping up. We can paint, just kind of brighten everything up, and then really create a warm and welcoming entry. I think that's gonna make a big difference out here.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Yeah.
All right,
Let's
go
inside.
in.
Okay. Here we are.
All right. This is the space where you guys hang out, right? Up here?
Yeah, I would definitely say this is where our family hangs out. Because when we do have our coaches and their families over, it does get a little choppy, and there's people on the deck and sitting there and in here, and being able to have everybody together would be amazing to see each other.
We can reorient this room so that it flows better. I'm thinking we can replace the carpet with a durable flooring that will be perfect for all the company you have over. We could paint and then add a mantle over here to fill out this wall. I don't know if we can take this whole wall down because it looks structural, but maybe we can figure out a way to open it up to create a sense of togetherness. I feel like doing a black and white kitchen will look great in here. It'll make it feel bigger, and then it'll go with that modern farmhouse feel that you really love. In the dining room, I think we can create more space by building some sort of dining bench along this wall, and then that'll give us the opportunity to push the dining table back. Even if we're not adding square footage, we can make it feel like we did.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I want to see the basement. Can we check out the basement?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at this. It's huge.
Is this the ball?
Yeah, that's one of the game balls. Yeah,
So
everybody
cool.
signed it.
That's awesome.
This room needs to highlight that.
Yes.
There you go. That would be cool.
Dave and I have a large family. We get it. We know you need space that will fit everyone, but that doesn't feel cramped. I'd love to paint the fireplace green to make it stand out and help it to feel cozier down here. Let's hang the TV above the fireplace so you can easily watch the games, and then we'll build cabinets on both sides for snacks and such. And then new carpet and new furniture that's all arranged to maximize the space. And across the room on that wall, we can add shelving to display all your sports memorabilia. That game day ball needs a home.
Yes.
It's gonna be amazing.
That in turn is going to help you, help your team, help the town win another state championship.
There you go. No pressure, right? Yeah.
There you go. You know what I like? You can see front all the way through the back window. The house is getting painted a gorgeous shade of white, and it looks amazing. It's incredible what lightening up the brick is doing to refresh this house.
So now it's time to really start bringing in some unique pieces that can breathe life and interest and personality into this house. Oh,
Check this out.
So good.
It's not just your standard newel post.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
The old one was traditional, and this new railing is modern, but it bridges the gap between mid-century modern and farmhouse vibe.
Here, I brought you some nuts for sustenance. I was having a snack. That was close.
Whenever Jenny walks in with snacks, I know there's work ahead.
So I went shopping.
Okay.
And I found some really cool pieces. So these...
Dirty old chairs.
Dirty old chairs, yes, are from a store here in town. So they are from Fort Morgan. So the history of Fort Morgan, and they're stadium seats. But I was thinking, let's bring them down to the basement. When the guys come over, got seating, and it's really cool and adds interest and character. I also found a really cool locker. You know, they've seen better days, but we can clean them up. This is the tricky house because the architecture itself is mid-century, but then Audra loves farmhouse design and style. The vintage pieces, I think, really tie back to that farmhouse feel and the history of Fort Morgan, and I think that Audra will appreciate those.
Oh, they're super comfortable.
Oh, they're comfortable, yeah. This is nice. Go team, state champions!
Fort Morgan, another state championship.
Woo! Ty and Audra Davies are two incredibly important leaders in Fort Morgan. They really needed better spaces for both their family and the football team to feel at home.
I don't know what's up ahead.
Are you ready for this?
I'm excited.
Is that
Babe, I
them?
think that's them, yeah.
Perfect timing.
I'm just hoping that all the bushes are gone.
Yes.
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you can see our house. Holy schmoly. So much space now.
Yeah,
I know, right?
The bushes were covering so much of our driveway.
Love the color.
Oh,
yes.
It's awesome.
Love it.
The whole goal for this house was to blend this mid-century modern home with the farmhouse style that you like.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
I love it.
Hopefully we carried that inside for you, and you love it just as much.
Oh, my God.
Oh my.
Dude, I don't even know what to say. This is beautiful, baby.
I never could have imagined.
Well, it's a great room. It's got great light in it. New flooring and actual real lights make a huge difference.
Oh, my word. This is beautiful.
So this mantle is actually from a house that's over 100 years old.
What?
Oh my goodness.
And gives you guys just a nice focal point in this living room and adds some vintage touches that I know you love.
Just the mix of like the new with the old feel. I think that's kind of us.
So that's not it. You got to go check out your kitchen.
Oh my gosh, the sink is like...
It's totally different.
Oh my goodness. And look at the appliances like blend with...
Oh, wow.
And I know you love black and white.
Yes,
so
I do.
Kind of kept that theme throughout, which I love because of this really nice neutral palette. And you can bring in color with accessories.
I love the open shelving too.
For us with kids and when you guys have a lot of people over all the time, they can just help themselves. Grab a plate instead of having to feel like they have to dig through cabinets.
This is really cool, too.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
So crazy.
We wanted the hood vent to feel special and to draw your eye there, so we added stucco to make it modern, and then we have the wood to lean into that farmhouse feel.
This is unbelievable. It feels so big.
Before, you had a peninsula that came out of here that just cut everything off. And so you can all be in the kitchen, in the dining room, in the living room, and still having one conversation.
The ability to have people here, that's just important to us.
So we have this bench here so that we can kind of scooch this entire dining space over, which bought us a lot of space here to create a nice walkway.
That's awesome.
Okay, so we have another
So
space
much
that is
more.
like a multi-purpose space that you guys weren't using. I really think you're gonna love that.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yes, Andra.
Look at the railing.
Oh my word.
Oh, I love the color.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Look at the chairs, Tyrell.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow, where did you guys get these?
They're from a local antique shop.
Oh my
And
goodness.
they actually used to be in the high school.
Oh my goodness, babe, look at all this.
Go check it out.
You gotta be kidding.
Oh my goodness.
So you got chalkboard on one side, dry erase on the other.
This is so cool.
You won't have to gather upstairs in the garage anymore. You have all your memorabilia here in one place, displayed beautifully. And this is just a way to honor all the work that you guys have done and all the work that you do for these boys.
Yeah.
I love it. Before we had those cabinets over here, and
Yeah.
it didn't make sense, and that's where the TV was, because we just couldn't figure it out down here, but this is amazing.
And we have another little gift for you. We had a local quilting group make you a little something.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they all signed it, huh? Oh man, the whole team. Oh, geez, guys. You have some pretty amazing kids in Fort Morgan.
From the bottom of our hearts, I mean, thank you for what you do for your community.
Yeah, thanks for
pretty
trusting
incredible.
us with your home. It's a big deal.
It's overwhelming, and you guys have taken every little part of kind of who we are in our life, and you guys have nailed it. It's just, this is unbelievable.
All right, go upstairs first.
We always want to have people here. I think now it's going to be easy. The space, the functionality, it's perfect, really. Holy cow.
It's powerful knowing that people like the Davies family are really focused on building up the next generation.
I can't wait for other people in town to get to be able to experience everything that we experienced today. I think the whole community is pretty excited.
Y'all did too much. This is exceeding. This is exceeding. I did not expect anything like this.